So looking at this problem, we're asked to convert between miles and centimeters. So we know that we have 2.0 miles as our starting units, and our ending units are centimeters. Now, there are a few ways to go about this. In this case, I prefer to get to the metric system as quickly as possible. And to do that, we can find a conversion factor that gets us from miles to kilometers. So let's show that in our table. You always want to be referencing your English to metric table, as that really can help give you some important hints for preparing your conversion map. So we know 1 mile is 1.61 kilometers. So we can go from English units of miles to metric units of kilometers. So we've gotten from the English system into the metric system quite quickly. So let's use that conversion factor. So we know that we can go from miles to kilometers. And we know that there are 1.1 mile is equal to 1.61 kilometers. Okay, now we're not done here. We've just gone from miles to kilometers. We still need our final units of centimeters. But now that we're in the metric system, going from prefix units of kilometers to prefix units of centimeters is easy. We'll just go through the base units of meters. To fill in our conversion factors, we know 1 kilometer, kilo, corresponds to 10 to the third meter. Similarly, 1 centimeter, the centi prefix, corresponds to 10 to the negative second meter. So with this all in mind, let's now execute on this unit conversion. So we have 2.0 miles. We're trying to go from miles to kilometers. So kilometers will be on top, miles will be on the bottom of our conversion factor. So we know that we have 1.61 kilometers per every 1 mile. Units of miles cancel. Next, we're going from kilometers to meters. This is just a metric to metric conversion. Meters should be on top and kilometers should be on the bottom of this second conversion. So you know we have 10 to the third meter per every 1 kilometer. Units of kilometers cancel. Finally, to complete this conversion, we're going from meters to centimeters. Units of centimeters will now be on top. To cancel units of meters will be on the bottom. And we know in 1 centimeter, we have 10 to the negative second meters. As always, the power of 10 stays with the base unit. So executing on this full conversion line, we get 3.22 times 10 to the third over 10 to the negative second centimeter, which we in turn round to 2 sig figs, 3.2 times 10 to the third over 10 to the negative second centimeter, which we then write out as 3.2 times 10 to the fifth centimeter. Now, of course, there are many other unit conversion maps that would give you the same final answer. I'm just showing you what I felt was the most direct unit conversion map. So if you need additional practice on these unit conversion problems, there's additional practice available on Canvas.